For home chefs and culinary enthusiasts, quality cookware can redefine the cooking experience. This Ninja NeverStick Premium 16-piece cookware set, a revolutionary kitchen essential that promises exceptional durability, versatility, and performance. This comprehensive review delves into the standout features, practical benefits, and why this cookware set deserves a place in your kitchen. Why choose Ninja NeverStick Premium 16-piece pots and pans set? The Ninja NeverStick coating resists peeling and chipping, making it perfect for long-term use. Ergonomic, stay-cool handles ensure safe and comfortable cooking. Oven-safe design eliminates the need for extra bakeware, saving time and space. Key features of the Ninja NeverStick Premium Cookware Set. 1. The NeverStick difference. The proprietary NeverStick technology sets this cookware apart from competitors. Unlike traditional non-stick coatings that can chip, peel, or flake over time, the Ninja NeverStick surface is engineered to remain intact even under high heat. Superheated at 30,000 degrees Celsius, plasma ceramic particles are fused to the pan's surface, creating a textured, super hard finish. Superior bond. The exclusive coating ensures long-lasting non-stick performance that doesn't compromise over time. Whether you're flipping pancakes, frying eggs, or cooking delicate fish fillets, this cookware delivers flawless food release every time. 2. Durable hard-anodized exterior. The cookware's shot-blasted hard-anodized exterior rivals the resilience of stainless steel. This premium construction offers scratch resistance, handles metal utensils without wear and tear. Enhanced durability, perfect for high-heat cooking and frequent use. 3. Versatility from stovetop to oven. The Ninja NeverStick Premium Cookware is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for finishing dishes, baking, or browning. Lids, handles, and the nonstick coating are all oven-safe, providing seamless stovetop to oven transitions. Cookware doubles as a baking dish for frittatas, casseroles, and roasted meats. 4. Enhanced heat retention. The heavy-gauge 4.5mm aluminum base ensures quick, even heat distribution, prevents hot spots, achieve consistent cooking results across the pan's surface. 30% more aluminum. Compared to previous Ninja cookware series, this set excels in heat retention for superior performance. 5. Stainless steel handles and tempered glass lids. This cookware set prioritizes safety and convenience. Ergonomic handles. Double riveted stainless steel handles offer a secure grip and stay cool during stovetop use. Glass lids. Tempered glass with thick stainless steel rims locks in moisture and enhances visibility for perfect cooking control. Whether you're preparing simple weeknight meals or elaborate holiday feasts, this set has the perfect pot or pan for the job. Benefits that make Ninja cookware stand out. 1. Multifunctional cooking. With the Ninja NeverStick cookware, you can sauté and sear like stainless steel, fry, roast, and broil with ease. Use minimal oil or butter for healthier cooking. 2. Effortless Cleanup. The non-stick surface wipes clean easily and is dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup quick and hassle-free. 3. All-range compatibility. This cookware is compatible with gas, electric, ceramic glass, and induction stovetops, ensuring versatility in any kitchen. 4. Safe and food-approved materials. Made with FDA-approved food-safe materials, the Ninja NeverStick cookware prioritizes your health and safety. Why choose Ninja NeverStick over other brands? Durability. That lasts. Many non-stick pans lose their coating over time, leading to uneven cooking and frustration. Ninja's NeverStick technology ensures your cookware remains in pristine condition, even with daily use. Sears like stainless steel. Unlike traditional non-stick cookware, the Ninja NeverStick allows you to achieve the perfect sear on meats without added oil or butter. Lifetime value. With superior durability, multifunctionality, and long-lasting performance, the Ninja cookware set offers excellent value for money. Final verdict: a must-have for every kitchen. This Ninja NeverStick Premium 16-piece cookware set offers a blend of durability, performance, and versatility that few brands can match. Its unique construction, thoughtful design, and range of features make it an excellent choice for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. If you're looking to upgrade your cookware collection, don't wait. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why this set is a favorite among culinary enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.